Okay guys, take a look at this interesting recipe I'm about to share with you guys. I'm going to show you guys how to make custard cake perfect for dessert. So if this video is interesting to you, watch to the end and also help me to share. First thing first, I'm going to make my custard the same way you make your akamu. So I added custard on the bowl, went in with water, and then I added hot water on it. So I make the pap and then I mix it up. It was a little bit thick. I went in with more water, cold water on it, mix it up until I get this texture. Next, I am going to transfer it into my big bowl and then I'm going to go in with butter. So next I added butter on it this much. I don't know the quantity, just use your eye to measure, okay? And then because the pap is still very hot, it's going to help dissolve the butter quick. I set it aside. I went in with 5 raw eggs and I'm going to use my hand mixer to mix it up very well. You can use spoon for this process. Set it aside and then next I'm going to go in with Greek yogurt, fat-free yogurt. I added half of it and the leftover one I'm going to use it later. I set it aside and then I mix it up together nicely. Once I'm done mixing, I went in with the egg. I mixed the egg as well nicely. Now tell me, does this look like a recipe you will try? Let me know in the comment section. I went in with sugar and I added 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Then I mix it up again nicely. Next, I'll go in with 2 cups of flour. So I'm adding the flour bit by bit, mix it up, and then I'm going to go in with the last cup of flour, and then I'll gently mix it up nicely. This dessert is one of the best you will ever try. Next, I added rising on it. I mix it up again, and then lastly, I am going to go in with my coconut flakes. I added coconut flakes on it, give it a mix, and then I'm going to transfer the mixture into my buttered pan. If you find this video helpful, please help me to share it. And do well to tell me where you're watching this video from so that on my next one, I'm going to send you a hug. Today's special hug goes to Chidera, watching me all the way from Sweden. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Guys, once I'm done transferring into my baking pan, next I'll put it in the oven and I baked. I baked this for 20 minutes under 200 degrees as usual. Guys, take a look at this. This dessert is very simple to make. You have all the ingredients you need in your kitchen. If you serve your guests this dessert, they will eat and ask for more. Take a look at this. Does this right here look like something you are going to try? Let me know in the comment section. I used the leftover yogurt to taste this recipe. It really came out nice. I love it so much, guys. It really tastes nice in my mouth. Try it. You are going to love it. You are not going to regret this recipe. Thank you so much for watching it and do well to help me to share. Bye.